Hey, hello again. Thank you for joining me in my webinar for managing anxiety and sleepless nights. And if you haven't attended the webinar, we're showing a free replay at webinar.dreamtending.com. If you're able to watch it, I am pleased to let you know that we've created an opportunity for you to continue building from where we left off. On May 30th, I'd like to invite you to a live online workshop where we'll deepen our work with the protective ally figure. In addition, I'm going to orient around 4 primary focuses. First, I'd like to jump right into what it means to manage anxiety and isolation. And then I want to offer tools of regulating fear when re-embarking back into the world. And thirdly, I will talk about boosting immunity with dreams and imagination. And lastly, with the support of our protective ally, let's dive even deeper into working with anxiety and nightmarish images so you can find what is healing rather than only what is tormenting. You'll get to see me work with the participants' dream to demonstrate these skills. And I know that by the end of the workshop, you will leave connected to a like-minded community and feel better equipped to overcome your challenging emotions. I look forward to seeing you there. Please click or tap the button below and sign up today.